Imagine living in a neighborhood that's constantly under attack. The culprit? Goatheads. These pesky invaders are more than just a nuisance. They significantly degrade the quality of your home, neighborhood, and community life. They cause bicycle tires to pop, stick painfully into dog paws, and even in human feet. And these aren't ordinary thorns. The toxins they carry make each prick feel as potent as a bee sting. Goatheads are notorious for spreading quickly in a neighborhood. Shoes, dog paws, vehicle and bike tires, wind, rainwater, even lawnmowers or weed eaters unwittingly become their vehicles of invasion. Interestingly, they don't start off as thorns. They originate as seemingly innocent yellow flowers, which rapidly transform into thorns, loaded with seeds and spikes in just 10 to 14 days. Inside each goathead thorn lies a multitude of seeds. These seeds are incredibly resilient and can survive 5 to 7 years in the ground before germinating. In the face of these stubborn invaders, eradication requires persistence, particularly if seeds are already in the ground. Once sprouted, a goathead plant can grow dramatically until killed by the first heavy frost. Imagine a tiny seed sprouting 6 inches in diameter with no thorns in June. By November it can grow to a whopping 18 feet in diameter with over 3,000 thorns and 20,000 seeds. Two factors, heat and water, accelerate this astronomical growth. So how do we tackle this invasive species? The key to eradicating goatheads lies in 3 strategies. Killing the plants before they form thorns. Removing the plants before they begin dropping thorns. Persistence. Remember, thorns form from flowers in 10 to 14 days and start dropping from the vine 2 to 3 weeks after they form. Herbicides are effective in killing plants before thorns form. However, if a herbicide is applied after a plant has formed seeds, the herbicide will kill the plant, but seeds inside the thorns are still viable. These seeds can linger in the ground and sprout for the next 5 to 7 years. So if a plant has already formed thorns, the solution is cutting the taproot with a shovel and disposing of the plant in a garbage bag. Cutting the taproot instantly kills the plant and prevents it from resprouting. There is no need to dig up the root. If the taproot is severed, the plant and roots will die. If a vine remains attached to the taproot, however, the plant will continue to grow. With knowledge, perseverance, and the right strategy, we can reclaim our neighborhood from these prickly pests and enjoy a goathead-free environment. Together, let's keep our community safe and comfortable for everyone.